Hello everyone. I'm here on 22nd Street between Lombard and Pine Street. Here to show you a studio apartment in this building. The building number is 401 South 22nd Street. This area is known as Filter Square. When you walk one block down there, you have a Starbucks. 3 blocks down, you'll be in Rittenhouse Square, this way. And there are a lot of restaurants and stores in the area. You are very close to everything. The airport is only 10-15 minutes from here. The unit I'm about to show you is a studio. I'll get it inside and show you what it looks like. First, see how beautiful the outside is. It's a tree-lined street. Very, very, very quiet. Here is the front door. So when you open the first door, you have this vestibule, and right up there, you have a mailbox on your left. Nice space. Mat for foot. Then you have another door. It's a very secure building. You need to have a key to get in. So as you walk in, you have this next stairs. Here is the door to the basement. In a basement, you have a washing machine, a laundry machine. Over there, you have the dryer. Over here, you have the washing machine. So this is a common area. Now I will get into the unit and show you what the inside of the unit looks like. Hello everyone. I just walked in to unit 1F of 401 South 22nd Street. It is a beautiful a studio apartment. It's a nice hardwood floor, very, very high ceiling. I just walking through this door, and as you walk in on your left hand side, you see these 2 huge windows for a natural light. It's just, it gets tons of natural light. As you could see, the tenant has plants here. The light will help for that. And you have a window unit for a central air. Over there, you have a fireplace, and then a working fireplace. Then next is the space is big. The current tenant is using this area for a bedroom, but it's huge studio apartment. You have a lot of options the way you like to set up your unit. Here you have this nice closet space, very nice closet space. As you walk in, on your right hand side, you have a huge place for storage. You have also a window for a natural light. You got additional storage on the top. Here on my left also additional closet space. Same here on my right. Storage space. On the top, additional storage space. Next is your kitchen. We have this kitchen, very bright. You have a lot of natural light. No light, I didn't turn on any light. You have here gas oven and cooktop. You have sink. You have a refrigerator. You have storage cabinets. Range hood. Shelves on the window to nicely keep your stuff. Then the next place I would like to show you is the bathroom. You have a big bathroom as well. On my right, you have your vanity, medicine cabinet. You have bathtub and shower combo. Here you have a toilet, additional cabinet space. Shelves. It's a beautiful studio apartment in the Filter Square. It's one of the nicest area. You are walking distance from Rittenhouse. The place is located on 22nd between Pine and Lombard. Very nice area. I hope you like the video. I hope you like the unit. This a beautiful unit. Thank you for watching.